At this fitting station, and thousands very similar, experts like Peter care about their customers and want to ensure them a great experience. Getting everything just right is key for his business. The right products, the correct tools, and the relevant information quickly and efficiently. And to support him on a daily basis, he knows he can count on Sekurit Service. Using SekuritService.com, Peter can help his customer quickly and easily. He is able to identify the right products in a simple way thanks to all our data and information at his fingertips. Sekurit Service Search, Model Search, VIN Search or OE codes with precise description and over 20,000 pictures. There's a reason for that smile on Peter's face. He knows he will get the right glazing and all the related workshop products in a fast and efficient manner. He knows he can rely on Sekurit Service. Our windscreens are produced with the highest OE standards at every production step to ensure you the best quality with reinforced controls and measurements for ADAS windscreens. For us, sustainability is no longer just a word. It starts to become a behavior. Over 90% of our windscreens are produced in the European Union, and our wooden crates are produced using wood from certified sustainable forests. At Sekurit Service, quality is in our DNA. You'll always get the right products in safe and sustainable conditions. Service also means we're here to help you with all the products for your workshop, your one-stop shop. Of course, service is in our name. You'll receive your delivery as fast as possible, overnight or day +1. Peter receives the right glazing and correct workshop products on time as usual. However, he needs to start his job on a car he has never worked on before. Fortunately, he knows the solution is only a few clicks away. Sekurit Service offers over 1,000 videos and 7,000 manuals, including ADAS information and everything he needs to get the job done correctly, from sealants to fitting tools, clips to wipers. Peter can now begin his job with confidence and professionalism. And thanks to Sekurit Service's data, information and quality products, another satisfied customer leaves Peter's station. As well as easy product identification, quick order entry, stock availability and order status and history, you can now also create a return. Our webshop really is your one-stop shop. All you need to manage your business efficiently. Sekurit Service is about people. In our family, we look out for one another, not just with the best possible products, but with the utmost care and attention. Because your business matters.